Today we're going to be replacing the belt on the Mercury 3.0 motor for the alternator. If you see, what I did is I took off the block. I removed one of the screws first, and then I removed the other. With this, you could pass the belt through without putting anything on the bottom of the motor, and then you could put everything back. Okay, so I'm going to start removing the belt over here. That's a trick, just to not to put anything on the bottom. Makes it a little bit easier. It's already in place. Okay, all you have to wiggle it is to pass it through here, through this point. You just pull it in through there, and then you put everything back. The belt here. If you see, everything is still tight. So now we're gonna place the block back into place. And I have to do the bottom one first, so I have to put this back because of the position of that alternator. If you haven't done this, it should be pretty easy to do. And this is going to prevent from doing the less job as possible. You see, the block is already there. And then you remove the top one and put it in place, and then you put everything back. So that should be a pretty easy fix.